Hi everyone, welcome to another Cats of Aprok video. Bit of a strange one today at the shelter. You won't think it looking around now because it's hot, but this morning was cold. We had a horrendous storm last night, lots of rain and wind. Same forecast tonight as well for 24 hours, horrific gales forecast and lots of rain. So this morning, like I said, I wasn't sure what to expect, but survived quite well. Not too much water inside. We'd lost a roof panel. But apart from that, it was okay, and the cats were okay as well. Three new entries came in today. Two small kittens and a larger kitten was brought in called Harriet. So always sad to see that because we're so full at the moment. We really are desperate for foster carers and for cats to be adopted. Anyway, the rest of the cats were okay, quite playful. Baloo had me in hysterics, stealing food from the packets and running off with it. He's a funny cat. And of course Disco, beautiful little brown and white kitten that really has caught everybody's eye. Anyway, hope you enjoyed the video, and catch you all in a couple of weeks when I get back from UK. Thanks a lot, bye. And the police have just called by with this box, so I'm going to show you what it's like when we're in here and something like this happens. Here we go. Oh, it's okay, it's okay. I know, you're scared. I know you're scared. And there's another one. They've been found in the school and they're just so small. What do? I'd take them home to foster, but I'm flying out on Friday back to UK. No idea what we're going to do with them. Okay, so I've brought the kittens in here, but they're half the size of these guys. I'm not sure how this is going to work, but no choice. Let's see how we get on. There you go. It's okay. Come on. Come and help them. So small. Okay. We're going to help them, Zisco. I know. He's a good boy. Fast asleep. Go to sleep. Right. It's going to be alright. It's going to be alright. Good boy. It's going to be alright. How does this go?